Our 8-liter coffee maker hot water boiler dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall height, we're looking at 16 inches. Left to right, we have at least 11 3/4 inches. And the measurement for the filter for their coffee, we have 11 1/4 inches in height by 8 inches in length. Coming to your center is your water level indicator and dispenser. On off switch, light indicators, and with the twist of the lid, insert your filter. This is where you can dump in your coffee grounds. On top and underneath is where you'll boil the water so you can dispense. And the measurement for the urn, we have at least 8 3/4 inches in radius by 11 1/2 inches in height. Coming in the back is your ETL certification sticker and your 110 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.